Wow, that was sketchy. I almost went over the bars.
Right there?
No, like back there.
I saw that. I was like, I'm not going in that.
I was like, oh shit.
We normally ride up them, not down them, but
I like riding down them.
like, dude, that'd be some hard enduro fucking shit going up that.
That was fun, just like going through it.
Yeah,
Not trying to go fast.
Like you go to a race and there's something even half like that, you're gonna fly right the fuck up it.
Oh, easy. Can't dent the pipe.
Oh my god! Didn't make it!
Didn't make it.
Dude, hey, I wonder, Jason.
I broke.
Is that a hill climb right there?
Where?
What?
Where?
On that dead tree you wrecked on the left side of it up that hill.
Kind of, yeah. It goes up a little bit.
Is there any down trees you can see? Like, can we make it to the top?
Yeah, we can. It looks like we have to go up right there because there's like a little dip.
I see the fucking hole. I honestly am thinking jump that fucking hole.
I kind of want to.
It don't look bad.
I can't believe I almost made it over this fucking log.
Dude, I didn't even see you wreck. I just looked over and you were standing up and your bike's on.
Good thing I got these unbreakable levers. My lever's pointed down, so good thing I got them unbreakable.
Good fucking thing.
Oh,
Do you want to try that hill?
yeah.
I don't know how deep it is right there.
Wheelie over it, but I feel like, I don't know.
I'm worried. I think you'll wheelie over it and your fucking rear tire is going to get caught on that log or slip and you're going in the hole.
Yeah, I feel like your rear tire's gonna hit the...
I didn't think that it was that deep right there, or that hole was that far from the bank.
I feel like you're gonna wheelie over it, and your rear tire's gonna hit the log, and your front tire's gonna go in the dip.
Your best bet is to honestly move that dead piece and then fucking go at it from an angle and then hit it straight.
I think so too.
And it looks honestly pretty clear up it.
I don't know where to put my bike at. It doesn't even look like that bad of a hill, but just like the run up at everything sucks.
If you get past the bottom, you'll be fucking golden.
Like I could.
That'll hit you in the head too. That other dead tree there.
Yeah. Like I could start on it on a. Was it on like in the middle of it, but the run up sucks. Thomas, move that dead one. That's like sticking up at an angle.
It might be deep in now.
Yeah, if it won't move, we'll just fucking go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Water. Oh damn! It was damn. Good fucking thing, dude. I don't think we would have made that right.
Bro, you would have ate shit. I gotta run up.
What about that other dead one right up the hill? That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, dude. That looks shitty. Right in front of me.
I got this.
Oh, I would jump the other piece, the fucking piece to the right.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta get it at the right angle though. I'm probably just gonna send it.
I believe in you.
I don't believe myself. That was easy.
Yeah, then we'll come back over here and we'll come back to this and then go up the hill.
All right. Not the freshie.
Oh my.
Yeah, not the 25 fucking RMZ, man.
This is just a Suzuki. It's nothing too serious.
You just casually rolled her down the hill.
No handguards either. You still got your levers?
Bent down a little bit, maybe.
It was bent down.
Warren, you hit it so perfect at the bottom. Yeah. Like, I was like, holy shit, he's like the best one to ever hit that, and he wrecked on it.
Yeah.
Hey, you went to the right, you gotta go to the left. Yeah, I know. I learned that the hard way.
What, that one?
Yeah, a little lip.
This one?
Like he jumped like that.
That one right there? Huh. What the f you doing? You can't park there.
I don't think this leads to a gravel. It'll lead somewhere.
Lead to your mom's house.
Oh, yeah, I think the trail ended about right there.
Well, Mitch, how is it mating with that tree?
We'll give her the old college try. Somebody cut this fucking tree. Give her the old college try getting up this hill.
I want to tear apart that thing.
I had a nice parts job going on right there. I'm trying to think, dude.
What? That's a big ditch. muddy. Oh. That's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
It's a little tricky.
Second gear, give her the V, stick to the right side.
Do it,
If you
Thomas.
don't, you'll go in that hole like Warren did.
Thomas, more throttle. I want to hammer it up this hill. Mitch, how about this hill climb? This one right here. That's a good picture. Holy.
Oh, I don't know. Looks pretty soft.
Go. I don't know.
What are you thinking?
Right there.
Yeah, dude, I don't know if I'll be able to get a run though. That's pretty fucking soft.
He's gonna pin it.
That branch.
That's what I'm doing.
I'll try her fucking second gear. If I can get just a little momentum for that fucking hill, it wouldn't be bad. But I think I'm gonna lose it all right there.
Maybe. I don't know. You have to like really hit it.
No doubt. Let me think. Yeah, I guess we'll just try it.
Hey.
Oh my god, that's fucking neat.
Yeah, that ain't happening.
I had zero. And I mean, that was what I was worried about. Zero fucking momentum.
Yeah, that ain't happening. That rut is deep. I didn't think it was that bad. Send it.
No way.
No way.
Nope. Because, dude, you get to right here and it's still pretty soft right here. There ain't no way.
I
I
want
mean,
to.
just look at how soft it is from when you came down.
I know, right? I want to try it though.
Yeah, bro.
Back her up, Terry.
You can hit it fast enough right here, jump over it. I don't know. Fucker just screamed.
Damn. Whoops. Not too much for a break.
We can head to that jump.
Alright. That's a fun jump. Thomas, go send it to the log.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'll give you $100 bucks. I'll give you $100 bucks.
Oh, thanks, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, 100.
Oh, I don't even think I could land at that log.
Dude, you almost did it last time.
I almost did.
If it
Let's
wasn't
say your
there,
best
you
jump.
could.
Best jump? Alright, alright.
Didn't stick the landing.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That was.
Wasn't bad.
Here wide.
That was like second, like 80%.
Damn.
Are you here, like Tomac?
He must have spun or fucking. I think he was a gear too high.
Yeah, he downshifted right at the bottom.
What gear is he hitting this in? Second? Mitch, who landed farther?
What?
Me or him? Who landed farther?
You did.
Oh.
Where am I landing? Like right here?
Right there.
Wow,